We know big tools get all the attention at work site, but sometimes it's the small, smart ones that make the biggest difference. They fit into tight spots, go anywhere with you, and still give you the power and accuracy of a full-size tool. That's why we've made this video, where you'll find some mini tools that do bigger jobs. When it comes to creative work, not every surface is a perfect straight line. That's why the Tyroler Tyroller 2.0 feels like a dream come true for anyone who works with graceful curves and irregular contours. Traditional tape measures, whether they're rigid metal ones or flimsy cloth versions, just don't cut it. Metal bends awkwardly and cloth sags, leaving you with guesswork instead of precision. Building on the success of the original Tyroler Tyroller 1.0, this new version takes fluid, intuitive measuring to the next level. It molds effortlessly to any curve, letting you capture perfect proportions on the spot without any complicated math. Designed with unmatched precision, it eliminates the little frustrations creators face, flowing smoothly, moving without limits, and delivering consistent accuracy every time. From DIYers to seasoned artisans, this tool has earned love for its ability to measure shapes the way they're meant to be measured. And now, with smarter refinements and a more intuitive feel, it truly becomes your go-to for contour-perfect measurements. After measuring those curves with the Tyroler Tyroller 2.0, you might just find yourself inflating a pool float or blowing dust off your workspace. And that's where the Ryobi RVI4 mini inflator comes in. Part of Ryobi's USB lithium system, this compact inflator packs enough punch for air mattresses, pool toys, beach balls, and even small workspace cleaning jobs. It's designed for on-the-go convenience with an IPX4 water-resistant rating, so you can use it anywhere, rain or shine. You can switch between high and low inflation or deflation speeds depending on the task, while an LED indicator warns you before the battery runs low. Plus, onboard storage keeps accessories organized, making it one of those grab-and-go tools that feels like it should always be in your bag. Its rechargeable nature and portable size make it a practical little powerhouse for travel, outdoor fun, and quick cleanups. While air tools keep things inflated and clean, sometimes your project calls for a flawless finish, and that's exactly what the GRK Angle Pro hidden fastening system delivers. Designed to eliminate visible screws, it guides Deck Elite deck hidden fasteners precisely between boards, giving your deck a clean, uninterrupted look. Its adjustable gapping lets you fine-tune spacing between 1/10 and 3/10 of an inch, while its adjustable width accommodates boards from just over 3 inches to nearly 6. The reinforced handle is built for job site durability, and precision guides ensure quick, accurate fastening every time. If you've ever built a deck and wished for a simpler way to get a professional-grade finish without all the fiddly adjustments, this system makes it straightforward and repeatable. No guesswork, just a perfect fit. Moving from word work to those all-important finishing touches, the Mosspace Sprayer is like having a professional paint booth in your hands. This compact yet powerful sprayer takes the frustration out of painting by completely eliminating drips, streaks, and patchy coverage. At its heart of its performance is an ultra-fine mist technology that lays down an even coat every single time, whether you're using paint, lacquer, varnish, or other finishes. Unlike the big, clunky sprayers that are heavy, noisy, and tethered by cords, the Mospace is lightweight, fully wireless, and easy to maneuver, even if you're painting in a tight corner or working overhead. One of its standout features is the quick change system. You can swap bottles and colors in under 5 seconds without rinsing or cleaning, which is a huge time saver when you're working on multicolor projects. The detachable nozzles and bottles make it incredibly versatile, and with 3 spray modes, you can switch from precise, fine detailing to wide, full coverage with just a simple adjustment. Its 20-centimeter spray range means you can cover larger surfaces faster while still keeping a perfectly even finish. And because the mist is so fine, you get faster drying times and fewer runs. Of course, not every project is about painting or polishing. Sometimes you need pure fastening power in places where larger tools simply can't reach. That's where the Milwaukee M12 Subcompact impact wrench proves its worth. Measuring only 4.5 inches long and 2 inches wide, it's built to slip effortlessly into the tightest spots, like deep inside an engine bay or between closely packed components without forcing you to remove other parts just to make room. Don't let the size fool you. This little tool delivers up to 225 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, enough to tackle stubborn bolts and nuts with ease, making it an essential tool for automotive repairs, machinery maintenance, and all kinds of mechanical work. At just 1.6 pounds, it's the lightest in its class, so you can work longer without fatigue, and it still offers up to 30% faster application speeds compared to similar tools. It's also designed with visibility in mind. The built-in tri-LED lighting system bathes your workspace in bright, shadow-free light, so you can see exactly what you're doing, even in cramped, poorly lit areas. And because it's designed to operate with lower vibration, it's especially helpful when you're using it for extended periods. And its 4-mode drive control allows you to fine-tune the power output for different jobs. The auto shutoff mode, which limits torque to 15 foot-pounds, is especially handy for delicate fastening, preventing over-tightening and protecting your workpieces. Once you've tightened every bolt and nut, the next step in many projects is creating precise threaded holes, and that's where the Tap Buddy earns its place in your kit. It's a compact all-in-one solution that takes the hassle out of drilling and tapping by combining both steps with built-in lubrication. Inside, it holds your choice of cutting fluid, which keeps drill bits and taps cool and reduces wear and tear, so they last longer and perform better. Its unique brush system is more than just a neat feature. With every dip, the brush evenly coats your bit or tap in fluid while sweeping away chips that could slow you down or damage your workpiece. Cleanup is just as straightforward thanks to the removable strainer that catches debris before it causes problems. The Tap Buddy works with bits and taps up to ½ inch in diameter, giving it the versatility to handle anything from small machine screws to larger threaded fasteners. And the clever Clicks accessory system makes it adaptable to a wide range of tasks and setups. So whether you're in a workshop, on a job site, or doing field repairs, it fits right in. And because it's so quick to use, just one dip between holes, it keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. When the job calls for attaching materials directly to concrete or steel, the Hilti DX2 fastening tool steps up. Compact and sleek, it fits into narrow spaces where bulkier tools can't reach. It delivers consistent fastening quality across its entire lifespan, minimizing downtime and ensuring reliable results. Whether it's securing formwork, attaching trusses, fixing wall ties, or fastening wire mesh, it does it with precision. Its ability to handle nail lengths up to 62 millimeters or 72 for wood to concrete work makes it versatile for construction and renovation alike. Of course, fastening is only as good as the markings you make before you start, and that's where the Blue Spruce Deluxe Mortising gauge excels. Featuring 4 precision ground blades and rotating radius bars, it's built for joinery work that demands absolute accuracy. From marking dovetail baselines to outlining inlays, it handles both straight and curved lines with ease. The stainless steel bars, aircraft-grade aluminum body, and 1095 tool steel blades make it a tool that will last for generations. Unlike cheaper gauges that wear out or wobble, this one keeps its tolerances tight, leaving crisp, repeatable lines that make chisel work satisfying and precise. Floor and tile repairing kit. Even with all the measuring, fastening, and marking, floors and tiles eventually take a beating. The BIHUI floor and tile repairing kit offers a complete solution for fixing cracks in marble, ceramic, and other hard surfaces. It comes with a hot melt wax application tool, 16 hard wax sticks in different colors, scrapers for smoothing, a high-density sponge, and even a cleaning cloth. With its wide range of colors, you can match repairs to the existing surface, making cracks virtually disappear. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to keep floors and walls looking like new without calling in a professional every time. Finally, when the job is all about raw lifting power but the space is tight, the Interpack CULP-Series hydraulic cylinders deliver. Designed for low-clearance, high-capacity applications, these ultra-flat cylinders can handle loads up to 100 tons. Their impressive power-to-height ratio make them indispensable for demanding situations where traditional jacks simply won't fit. Whether in industrial maintenance, construction, or heavy machinery work, they give you the muscle to get the job done where traditional jacks can't reach.
Sometimes all you need is a clamp that won't let go, and the TLXA heavy-duty spring clamps do just that with strong, reliable pressure on your workpieces. These clamps are great for quick holding during glue-ups, assembly, or positioning, especially when you need fast setup without fiddling with screws or triggers. Their spring-loaded action means you can clamp or release with one hand, making them intuitive and easy to use in tight spaces. The durable plastic jaws distribute pressure evenly, reducing damage to delicate surfaces. These clamps come in handy for woodworking, crafts, repairs, and more, proving that simple tools with solid performance are often the most valuable additions to your workshop.
That wraps up our look at 10 coolest mini tools that rivals your bulky tools. Which one caught your eye as the most useful? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for the latest tool news and reviews.